In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size on Squarespace. First things first, you want to start by heading over to the Squarespace website. This is where all the magic happens. Sit tight, we're going step by step, ensuring you can follow along easily. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, the next thing you need to do is log in to your account. Look for the login button, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on that to proceed. After clicking on login, you'll be presented with several options for how to sign in. For simplicity and speed, let's go ahead and click on Continue with Google. This option allows you to log in using your Google account, making the process smooth and swift. Now you should see a list of your Google accounts. Click on the specific Google account you used to sign up for Squarespace, or the one you've previously linked to it. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll want to access your specific website dashboard within Squarespace. Look for a direct link that says something akin to go to your website, or simply navigate to the website section from your Squarespace dashboard. Next, to start editing your site, you'll need to enter the editing mode. You can either look for an edit button on your dashboard or use a direct link, which usually looks like squarespace.com/config. This will bring up your site's backend where all the elements you can edit reside. Now for the main event, changing the font size. Navigate to the specific text you want to resize. Simply click on the text box that you're aiming to modify. Once selected, you're ready to adjust the font size. To adjust the font size, look for a scaling option. This might be represented by a slider, or simply by selecting from a list of predefined sizes. Drag the slider, or select a font size to increase or decrease the text to your desired size. It's all about getting the text to look just right on your site. After you've adjusted the font to the perfect size, don't forget the crucial final step. Saving your changes. Look for a Save button, usually located at the top or bottom right corner of the screen. Click it to ensure all your hard work doesn't go to waste. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the font size on your Squarespace site. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look and what buttons to press. Remember, personalizing your site is key to standing out online, and tweaking your font size is just the beginning. Explore Squarespace further to see what other customizations you can make to tailor your site exactly to your liking. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Until next time, keep exploring and experimenting with Squarespace to create the perfect website for your needs.